There are many electric bike products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric bikes from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Hoverfly Electric Bike. Rating 4.4. Hoverfly electric bike comes equipped with a 750W peak power motor, allowing for speeds of up to at least 20 miles per hour, making it easy to ride on mountains, trails, or even in snowy conditions. The pedal assist mode offers a range of up to 40 miles, while the pure electric mode can reach up to 20 miles, depending on user weight and road conditions. The detachable battery comes with a lock to prevent theft. Safe and comfortable design. Responsive mechanical brakes, coupled with front shock absorbers, provide comprehensive safety and comfort. With pure electric mode, just throttle up and go, while the pedal assist mode offers effortless and swift riding compared to regular bikes. Number 4. CityRun Electric Bike. Rating 4.5. The electric bike is equipped with a 350W motor with a peak power of 500W. Smart, efficient, and safe are the core features of the motor. It reaches up to 20 miles per hour in electric mode. Enjoy the convenience of 3 riding modes: manual, pedal assist, and pure electric, providing enough power for your daily travel and experience. It can take you over any terrain, from city streets to off-road trails. The sensitive mechanical disc brakes provide sufficient braking power even in adverse conditions, with the front fork providing shock absorption when braking. Enhanced visibility with bell, LED front light, and rear reflector ensures that night riding is just as safe as daytime riding. With these safety components, you can. Number 3. Electric bike for adults. Rating 4.6. This electric bike features a 500W powerful motor, 1000W peak, that helps you reach a top speed of 21.7 miles per hour and tackle all types of terrains with ease. From steep hills to rough trails, Funhang electric bikes for adults can easily overcome all obstacles with strong power to ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or exploring the outdoors, this adult electric bike can meet all your riding needs. Powered by a 48V 374.4Wh IPX5 waterproof Li-ion battery, the Funhang electric mountain bike allows you to achieve a range of 25 to 30 miles in pure electric mode and 40 to 50 miles in pedal assist mode, depending on your weight and road conditions. The removable design makes it easy to charge off the bike. Number 2. Tire Mountain e-bike. Rating 5.0. This powerful electric bike enhances acceleration, torque, and top speed. The increased power allows you to easily tackle all terrains and climb slopes of up to 40 degrees. Dual motors enable a top speed of 40 miles per hour, with faster acceleration, depending on battery charge, load weight, and road conditions. The bike is equipped with a high-capacity, removable 28Ah battery, providing a longer range per charge and over 1,000 charge cycles. With pedal assist, the Fat Tire e-bike can travel 26 to 70 miles, depending on riding mode, load, and terrain. It features a super bright 600-lumen LED front light and tail light for visibility and safety during night rides. The LCD's smart display shows real-time information such as speed, mileage, and battery life. Number 1. Folding electric bike. Rating 5.0. The electric bike is equipped with a 500W motor with a peak power of 750W. Smart, efficient, and safe are the core features of the motor. It reaches up to 25 miles per hour in electric mode. Enjoy the convenience of 3 riding modes: manual, pedal assist, and pure electric, providing enough power for your daily travel and experience. Hikeep e-bike features a height-adjustable seat and adjustable handlebar, allowing for personalized comfort on extended journeys. Enhanced by dual-disc brakes and front shock absorbers, it delivers powerful stopping ability, ensuring both safety and comfort. The console and bell contribute to a confident and secure ride across a variety of road conditions. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.